Spring vocabulary. Spring phrases. Phrases used in spring tend to be bright and positive. They are often associated with change and a sense of newness. Fresh start. A fresh start is a chance to begin something again. Many people consider spring to be a season of fresh starts and a great time to start new projects or make changes. Spring fever. A fever is an increase in a person's temperature, usually when they are ill. A spring fever, however, is not an illness. Instead, it describes the excitement and restlessness people experience as spring begins. Spring cleaning. The start of spring is a chance to refresh the home. A spring clean is an annual event where the whole house is deep cleaned from top to bottom. Items needed for winter, like big coats, thick duvets and winter clothes, are packed away, and a new, lighter wardrobe and bedding are unpacked, ready to be used. Blow away the cobwebs. While spring cleaning involves the removal of actual dust and cobwebs, this phrase instead means to get rid of tiredness. Getting outside for a walk in the fresh air is a great way to blow away the cobwebs and lift your mood.